Hi guys, this is Shashank here. So we'll be discussing about Nifty, Bank Nifty and a few stocks. So first we'll be discussing about Nifty. So Nifty all throughout the day it was in the same range. So had faced a resistance at 17,420 levels and had a bottom at 17,350 levels. So at the fag end of the day, market broke the support, took a retest and started a downtrend. As of now, Nifty is looking a little bearish. So tomorrow we'll plan our trades. If Nifty is opening a gap down, we'll wait for a few candles. We'll see the direction. If it has a low downside price action, if the market is starting to make lower lows, we'll start entering on the bearish trades. So if the market is opening flat, we'll wait for the market to break the range. So the range has to be broken. So once the range is broken, we'll be entering the trade on either sides. So market is looking bullish to me above 17,420 levels. So we'll be waiting for the market to break 17,420 levels to enter on bullish side trades. So this for Nifty. So let's check on Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty as of today was in a range. So it had given an upside breakout to above 39,500 levels, but the market did not sustain the breakout. It came back into the trend again. So there was not much movement at all in Bank Nifty as of today. So it market has closed near day's low as of Bank Nifty, and Nifty it has broken the day low also. So Bank Nifty you will be planning your trades. If it opens a gap down, you will be waiting for a few candles as I said in Nifty. So if the market is making downside price action, you will enter on bearish sides on every high, which is our lower high. You can enter on short side trades on every lower high. So if you are planning a bullish trade, we'll wait for the market to break this level of 39,500 levels, and market has to sustain there for a while and start making higher highs so that in order in which you can enter the trades in Bank Nifty. So this is Nifty and Bank Nifty as of intraday levels. So we'll be discussing a few stocks as well, which you can be trading throughout this week or throughout this month, which can be taken as a swing trade. So Raj Industries is looking very good. It has given a breakout after a big consolidation of 1.5 years. So market, I believe that a closing of green candle above 450 levels is very good for your entry. So you'll have to wait for another day. If you get a closing above 450 levels, you can enter into the trades in Praj Industries. So your first target in Praj Industries as of short-term basis will be around 500 levels. So on a long-term basis, your target should be around 600 on Praj Industries. And your stop loss is red candle closing below 440 levels. That should be your stop loss. So we'll look at another stock as well, which is Deep Industries. Deep Industries has recovered from a rounding bottom, so which is a very good sign for a swing trade. So it has also given a green candle closing above our resistance. So it is a good entry from tomorrow for all swing traders. And our stop loss will be very steep. Any closing below 285 levels will be exiting the trade. Red candle closing below 285 will be exiting the trades. And our first target will be around 340 levels. Our first target is around 340 levels, and our second target in Deep Industries is 400. So these are the targets and stop loss for the both the stocks respectively. So this is my analysis, guys. Thank you.